everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button because you'll find new DIYs, tutorials, and new inspiration here every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you love home decor on a budget, this is definitely the place to be. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today, and the reason I do these hauls is because a lot of times I use these items in upcoming tutorials. So I always like to give you guys a heads up of what I'm grabbing from the Dollar Tree before those tutorials start coming out. So today I have lots of different things. My Dollar Tree finally restocked some of the items that I always keep on hand, so I grabbed several of those. They're starting to put out spring, which I was really excited about. And I also grabbed some more things for Valentine's Day and that sort of thing. So let's go ahead and jump right into this Dollar Tree haul. So why don't we get started with the new spring things? A lot of these things I saw last year. Some of the things are new, but let me show you what I grabbed first that is new and I could not help myself are these adorable little gnomes. They had 3 different ones, so I grabbed one of each, and they are so cute. I know these are gonna be adorable for springtime, but gnomes have been pretty popular all year long, so I see some DIYs with these in the future. The trusty metal flower buckets are back. I've used these for spring and summer and fall, and so of course I had to grab another one so I could have it on hand for upcoming spring decor. I also found these plant labels. I see so much potential in these. They're just plastic and white, so there's so much you could use with these. I also grabbed one of these plant hangers. It has some of their metal chain in it, so the chain actually comes in handy for different things as well as the hook, so it's kind of a 2-in-1 deal, but you can use this as a plant hook as well. But my mind always thinks, what else could I use with these kinds of things? So just one of those. These I grabbed 2 of. They are plant hooks that you put into the wall and then you can hang things off of them, but again, think outside the box and see what other things maybe these would be wonderful to use for. The next few items are things that I like to keep in my Dollar Tree stash, so I have them on hand anytime that I need them because they are perfect for farmhouse decor. And my Dollar Tree had been getting really low on a lot of it, and they had been out of their burlap ribbon for a really long time, so they finally got this back in. This is with the wired edge, so I grabbed 2 of those. They also had been out of their regular natural colored burlap, so I grabbed another one of those. And also I love this really thick rope. It's called Nautical Rope, but it's a really thick jute type material. I have 3 of those now. Now in their craft section, they had these great labels. They had them in different colors. They had them in different shapes. This one comes with 40 stickers, so there's 10 different ones of each one of these 4 different shapes. So I thought this would be a really great thing for an upcoming project. Next is this great picture frame that's wood, but look at the cute little kitty on the front. I love cats. I'm a cat person. We can't have cats here because Brian is really allergic, and I've seen how he reacts to cats in the past, so we just don't even get close to cats around here, which is really sad, but the picture is super duper cute. And the frame is really cute too, so another project for the future. I also really like to keep these dowel rods on hand. You never know when they come in handy, whether you need them to put beads on, to paint, you need to stick them down and then glue something on them. They're great for projects. You can cut them down, you can glue them together. So one of those staple pieces to keep on hand. Also, I love that Dollar Tree carries Mod Podge. Mine only has the gloss and I really prefer the matte finish, but I was in need of some Mod Podge and you can't beat the price of $1, so I went ahead and picked up the gloss. I also have a pie pan here. I wish they would have had the tapered edged one that's kind of more dips down on the sides and goes straight down on the sides, but I think this will work just as good. It's just a metal pie pan. I'm sure it's probably about an 8-inch size round. And their paper plates, we just pretty much use their paper plates from Dollar Tree. They aren't the best paper plates, but they're so much easier than doing dishes a lot of nights, so I just grabbed another pack of those because we were getting low. I also went ahead and grabbed another one of their mirrors. So this is a round mirror with a frame on it. Next, I also picked up several of their glass items. I love this pretty clear base, or it could be a candle holder, however you want to use it. Another one of their pillar candlesticks. These are another great thing to keep on hand if you are a Dollar Tree crafter. Also one of these bottles that has the plastic lid and cap on it. I love these. These can be turned into so many different things, whether it's farmhouse style or you just need them to store things in your kitchen. And 2 of their mason jars. You guys know these are my favorite mason jars ever because they are solid and plain and there's nothing on the front. I'm not a big fan of the gold lids, but you can always paint those, so that's usually what I do, but I grabbed 2 of those. They also had these really cute tassels in their party section. These are the white ones. These were in their party section too. They are clear plastic, kind of like shot glasses, but they're taller. It says they're mini cordial glasses for a project. My Dollar Tree also has tons of their St. Patrick's Day decor and supplies up. And the leprechaun always visits our house every year, so I picked up some gold coins for that festivity. I really love Dollar Tree's coasters too. You only get 1 each. It's not like a big set of them, but they have nice cork on the back, so that's really, really nice. So I have 2 of those. They also have some great candy. These are pink and red kisses, so think Valentine's Day with these. I also grabbed a few things from their hardware section. I love their paintbrushes. These are what I use for everything. I use them in the she shed a lot, and they have these new ones with the big giant 3-inch brush and a tapered brush, so I grabbed this. And also some of their painter's tape, and you wouldn't believe, but sometimes this is even better than the stuff that they sell at like Walmart or at the hardware store, so I grabbed a big thing of this. It is 1.41 inches by 17.5 yards. I saw these scarves and it made me instantly think of spring, so this is probably a good look into what my spring decor may just end up looking like. It is blue and white gingham, or buffalo check if you want to call it that. But so many ideas came to mind when I found these, so I picked up 2. I found these great frames too. I love that you put a picture in here, and then up here it says, "Our family is blessed." They had different sayings in different colors, so this may get a little transformation, but I love the idea of this. My Dollar Tree decided that they were gonna get bigger canvases. These are 8 by 10 size, and I'm not sure if you saw J Money's DIY where she hacked these and made them into a tray. So this is not going to be one of my DIYs, but I will be following Jay's tutorial to make my own farmhouse style tray. It like made my jaw drop. An amazing tutorial, so make sure to find me on Instagram where I will post my finished product of this, but I just really can't wait to try this project and her idea out. And last but not least, I have a whole video idea in mind on how to use their paper lunch bags. So I just grabbed one of these. They come in a set of 40, so you can get so many projects out of one bag for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So that's all I have in today's haul. I spent right at $50 and some change with tax. So a pretty big haul. I hadn't actually been to the Dollar Tree in a good month since Christmas. I just kind of been using what I had on hand to work on Valentine's Day, as well as all of the winter decor. So this was another one of those big stock up times. I can't wait till their spring decor really gets fully stocked so I can get in there and start looking at Easter. Let me know down in the comments below, what was your favorite item from my haul today that you'll be looking for at your local Dollar Tree. Please take a second and give this video a thumbs up for me. That helps out me and my channel so very much. And if you haven't yet, please click that subscribe button. I'll have more Dollar Tree DIYs in the link below that. And make sure to come find me on Facebook and on Instagram for more inspiration. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.